So the help menu requires minimum of base development system. The help menu contains items to explain and define LabVIEW features and other components, provide full LabVIEW documentation, and access National Instruments technical support. Some menu items are available only on specific operating systems with specific LabVIEW development systems. When an item in the Project Explorer window is selected or when a VI is selected. So the first item is show context help, which opens up the context help window. The next item is lock context help window, which locks or unlocks the current contents of the context help window. The next item is LabVIEW help, which displays the LabVIEW help. We can use this help file as a reference for information about LabVIEW palettes, menus, tools, VIs, and functions. The LabVIEW help also includes step-by-step instructions for using LabVIEW features. So next we have explain error, where we can enter a error code manually and see what that error means in LabVIEW. If such an error exists. If we have some VI that has some help associated with it, and these are the VIs that come with LabVIEW, and we go to help menu, then help for this VI option is available, which will launch the help file for the current VI, as we can see over here. So next is find examples. We can use find examples window to search for hundreds of example VIs. We can modify an example to fit our application, or we can copy and paste from one or more examples into our own VI. So we can launch projects from within this window, or we can launch VIs and then we can modify them or use them as we need them. So next we have find instrument drivers, which will launch the NI instrument driver finder. And we can use this dialog box to search for and install plug and play drivers from National Instruments. And by the way, I will be explaining all these menu options in detail when their time comes. So next we have web resources. So selecting web resources bring you to this page, opens your browser and loads this page, from which you can view and access LabVIEW related resources that NI provides. So the next option is activate LabVIEW components. Use the NI License Manager application to activate LabVIEW components. Please select the launch button to open the NI License Manager. Any product activations will not be reflected in the LabVIEW until you exit and restart LabVIEW. When you press launch, the activation window will open. NI License Manager will launch. Take some time to launch. So once the License Manager launches, you can use it to license your unlicensed products, view the local licenses or network licenses, activate software, computer information, etc. So an user account login will appear, and you will use your email and password to log in, and then you can license the products that are licensed against your name. So the next option is activate add-ons. This launches the activate add-on wizard, where you can activate the third-party add-ons that you have purchased, and you can select the add-on that you have installed, and then you can activate it or deactivate it. So the next option is check for updates, which will launch the NI updates utility, and will check ni.com for available updates. The NI update service launches and collects the system information and sends it to the NI servers for checking for new versions. So if it finds some updates, you can select it from here, and then you can update it. Next we have Customer Experience Improvement Program. It displays the National Instruments Customer Experience Improvement Program window, which collects and synthesizes data from customer use of NI products to guide the improvement process for those products. From this window, we can choose to either accept or decline participation. Yes or no. Next we have the patents, and we can access patent information about our current installation of LabVIEW, including toolkits and modules. We can refer to the National Instruments website for the most current list of patents covering the NI products. And last, from the help menu, is the About LabVIEW. We can access general information about our current installation of LabVIEW, including version number and the serial number and etc. and stuff like that. Thanks for your time and your visit, and please do keep visiting for more LabVIEW related videos. Have a good day.